Tiger Woods says his mother has died. He called Kultida Woods a force of nature. This is the Associated Press article. I'm going to break down. I mean, it's interesting how you get Colt in her name right there, right? Even though it's with the Kult. Okay, Kultida Woods. Even though it's with the K, that's interesting, right? You get Colt. But anyways, R.I.P. And I guess something had to give. They didn't I didn't see any details on the death. It just says that he announced the death in here. He didn't disclose a cause, any other details. But I'll read a little bit of this. Here she is right here. Okay. So the Thai-born mother of Tiger Woods, who instilled his dominant spirit and encouraged him to wear, check this out, a red shirt on Sunday as his power color. She RIP'd on Tuesday. And I see right there the article updated 4:06 p.m. That's like 46, right? And sacrifice does equal 46. I see right there. Okay. And a red shirt, blood, right? BLOOD. Okay. That's what I think of when I think of him wearing red, possibly to symbolize this. Okay. And Woods announced the death again of his 80-year-old mother. We get 3 different ages I'm seeing. I'll explain as I go further. But in this article, they're saying 80. Okay. And he announced this on a social media post. Again, no details. She was at his indoor TMRW Golf League match last week in South Florida where she lived. He described her again as a force of nature who was his biggest supporter from the time she drove him to junior golf tournaments in California to being there for his 15 major championships, often wearing her wide-brimmed visor and sunglasses. It is with heartfelt sadness that I want to share that my dear mother, Kultida Woods, passed early this morning. Woods wrote, "My mom was a force of nature, all her own. Her spirit was simply undeniable. She was quick with the needle and a laugh. She was my biggest fan and greatest supporter. Without her, none of my personal achievements would have been possible. She was loved by so many, but especially by her 2 grandchildren, Sam and Charlie." And it looks like Mr. President was among those who reached out with the post on the Truth Social platform, calling her an amazing influence on Woods. And I mean, they say she encouraged him to wear red. We know red is associated with that character, right? And his party. So that's interesting as well. And Wood's father, Earl, he died in 2006. Let's look that up. Earl Woods' death date. Man, this number's been hitting a lot lately. We had that That number hit in the Miles Garrett breakdown, requesting a trade. And remember, his birthday is one day before Tiger's. And look at this guy. Look at Earl Woods. So he died okay. He died the third day of the fifth month. And that's amazing because his birthday was the third month and the fifth day. Okay. So that's interesting right there. And he died in 2006. 26 has been hitting a lot lately. There's been a lot of Kobe Bryant energy, as you're going to see in this breakdown. Kobe Bryant, he had his 81-point game in 2006, and Bryant equals 26. And his RIP anniversary was just recently on the 26th of January. Okay, and don't forget, Jordan equals 26 and 62. Hey, check this out. Sacrifice equals 62 along with that 46. All right. So, and don't forget Tiger Woods has the same birthday as LeBron James. Okay, and we all know LeBron, Kobe, MJ all connected, right? All right. So you get that RIP date right there, May 3rd. For Earl Woods. Let's see if I want to read anything else here in the title before we go forward. Tita, as she was called by many, was working as a civilian secretary in the U.S. Army office in Bangkok when she met Earl Woods, who was stationed there. She spoke minimal English when she married him and left Thailand for the first time in 68. First going to Brooklyn and then to Cypress, California, where Woods was born in 75. His father taught him golf. His mother brought the discipline. Everyone thought it was my dad when I went on the road, which it was, Woods said last year when he received the Bob Jones Award from the USGA, but mom was at home. If you don't know, my mom has been there my entire life. She always been there through thick and thin. All right, so we'll go over here now. And I'll play a news clip and then we'll go forward. I want to refresh that page first like that. Okay, so we'll play this and then we'll go forward, okay? If the video wants to play. Video might. Oh, do I have to hit play? This video from E News. Just saying. Notice, and even these girls over here wearing red. I don't know offhand the relation there, but man, look at all the red. Again, probably for blood, right? The Genesis Invitational, huh? Let's see if that event will pop up. Genesis Invitational. Oops, my bad. Let's see. Okay, it starts one day before Valentine's Day. It looks like Genesis Invitational. That's interesting. The origin or mode of formation or something. This tale had its genesis in Fireside Stories. Okay, cool. So let's go back over here and let me open this up. And we usually like catch things on the fly when we go. That's how I like to do it, along with some slides that I pre. So I mentioned earlier, Tiger Woods, same birthday as LeBron James, right? Who's been connected to all of these stories lately that have been popping up. And remember, he just received Luka Doncic in a trade. As you know, Doncic, a new teammate of LeBron James. But look at even Myles Garrett, the last video I did, looking like Kobe Bryant there, right? Uh, Le- Tiger Woods' mom, Kultida K, Kobe K. But you see these birthdays here. Myles Garrett has the birthday one day before Tiger Woods and LeBron James, right? And you get these characters big time like trending, and you see the connections with the birthdays there, okay? Even Tiger, look at that 59 right there. Remember Super Bowl 59 is upcoming, right? And you see Tiger equals 59, Woods equals 59, and Myles Garrett with that last breakdown. He wore the 95 on his jersey. He does, right? And he's born in 95. Defensive end equals 59. Even Michael Jordan trending. I think his son got arrested. Michael Jordan equals 59. Okay. We had the Royal Rumble. Charlotte Flair wins for the women. Her upcoming birthday is the 95th day of the year. Jay Uso, who won for the men in the men's Royal Rumble. Jay Uso equals 95. All right. And you see how Tiger's got 32 like NFL with the upcoming Super Bowl. And you see Tiger's got that 76 as well, right? Remember Michael Jordan, 59 and 76. Obviously, Tiger Woods is going to have a connection to these other top athletes on the world stage, right? Michael Jordan, Kobe Bryant, LeBron James. And I showed you the birthday as well. Even Tiger with the 32, Jordan and LeBron known for wearing that 23. Kobe Bryant born on the 23rd, right? And you see NFL equals 32 as well right there. Tiger's got the 76. Kobe Bryant born in Philadelphia, home of the Philadelphia 76ers, the Eagles in the Super Bowl in the NFL. But that 59, you see right there, defensive end with Myles Garrett requesting a trade, Cleveland Browns. You get the Cleveland connection, all of the success Michael Jordan had against some of his big moments against the Cleveland Cavaliers, right? And obviously LeBron James drafted by the Cleveland Cavaliers. You get the Cleveland Browns over here, right? But yeah, the 95 on the jersey, born in 95, the season started 9/5. Super Bowl 59 upcoming, defensive end 59 in the code. And obviously the 95 on the jersey there as Myles Garrett requests this trade with that trending story that I just hit on last, right? Look at how amazing this is. This number has been popping up a lot, the 135. So I'll show you some of the connections here. Even Woods, hold on. Even, oh yeah, Woods has that 76. But look at the 135 and 2 ciphers, Tiger Woods here. Obviously a fake name, right? It's a world stage name. But look at how you get 135, 135, 54, and 54 with Tiger Woods. This is the 4 base ciphers that I use to show this fake world, okay? This is obviously coded, but you see the 135 and the 54 right there with Tiger Woods? This character, RIP, Taiwanese actress, dies after contracting pneumonia triggered by the flu. She was 48. Okay. Barbie Shu dies of the flu. But look, she's got 135 with how she passed. Influenza and pneumonia. You see that right there? Okay. Look at that right there. Died after contracting pneumonia triggered by the flu, influenza, right? But look, 135 equals pneumonia, reverse cipher, just like Tiger Woods, okay? Trending with that death. Influenza 135, pneumonia 135, Tiger Woods 135 and 2 ciphers. And you even see the 45, which is the 54 reverse. Kobe Bean Bryant, the full name, RIP anniversary January 26, just recently. Kobe Bean Bryant equals 135. You also get that 54, like Tiger Woods. And again, 45 with influenza, pneumonia, with this character on the world stage, Barbie Shu. Barbie B like Bryant. Okay. And look, here's one of the ages at death we get with Kultida Woods. Man, that's a hard name to say. I can't get over how it's got Kultida Woods. But look, right there it says age 81. Okay? I'm guessing as an age at death. Remember it said 80 in our article. But Kobe Bean Bryant equals 81. All right? And remember he scored 81 points in his 666th game, right? Known for that. Okay? So you get 2 different ages, but you see how the 81 syncs up here with Kobe Bean Bryant 81 and the 81 points he had in that January 22nd game. That game was in 2006. Okay? And remember Earl Woods died in 2006, right? And Bryant 26. Bryant RIP on the 26. Remember Jordan equals 26. Okay? So, and again, Kultida K, Kobe K, right? Look at even Bryant equals 80. Look at the New York Times also says she dies at 80, like our Associated Press article. Look at whoever that is. Look at that article, WDSU 6. Look, they say that she dies at 78 and Kultida equals 78 in ordinal. Look at that. And it even says it right there. Look, I think that was our original Associated Press article right there where I put that clipping in on the bottom. So they're all over the place with the age. It says she's 78 right there. Do we have to do our own math? You know what I'm saying? We might have to do our own math. But you see how Bryant equals 80? Remember, Bryant wore 8 on his jersey as well as 24? Okay. And what date is synced up with this article and the announcement of the death? This the second month and the fourth day, 24, right? So what's up with that? Even Kultida, notice an ABC 123. Now that's a fact. You get 78 to sync up with that death age they give us. But 7 plus 8 is 15, right? Remember in the article they mentioned 15. If I can briefly go back here and let's just scroll up. His 15 major championships, often wearing her wide-brimmed visor and sunglasses. Um, right? That's what it says right there. Okay? So that's interesting. And what else did I want to look at here? Okay, so we're back over here now. And I think Miles Bryant has played, did it say 8 years with the Browns as well? When did Miles Bryant join the Browns? Let me take a drink of my coffee here. Look at this. Oh, excuse me. Oh, look. I meant Myles Garrett, but look how there's a Miles Bryant football player. And look at how he signed with the Texans the second day of the fourth month. And we get the second month and the fourth day synced up with this article. So look, this just shows once again the script. Look, there's a Miles Bryant football player. Notice his that guy's birthday. Notice how he's 27 with the 27 on the jersey. But look at how this guy, his birthday is 24 days before the RIP date of Kobe. January 2nd, Kobe RIP, January 26th, 24 days later. You see that? And then we get that 2 and the 4 connected when this guy joined the Texans. I meant to say Myles Garrett. Wow. Let's put Garrett, Bryant. He joined the Browns, look, 8 years ago. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? When Bryant equals 80. Look at him looking like Kobe. I mean, the face is undeniable, dude. God, man. Even the hair is just like Kobe's in his younger days. I mean, you see right there, it's pretty damn obvious, but let's go back over here now. Go back over here to the breakdown. And don't forget that connection with LeBron. But look, you get this Asian connection here with Tiger Woods, his mom, this actress, Barbie Hsu that died. Okay? You see, she was a Taiwanese actress. Taiwan, officially the Republic of China, is a country in East Asia. You see that right there? And you see Taiwanese actress Barbie Hsu, Barbie B, like Bryant, star of the popular drama Meteor Garden, dies at age 48. And Tiger Woods, with his mother passing, Woods said nothing to clarify his ancestral roots. For the record, he is 1/4 Thai, 1/4 Chinese, 1/4 Caucasian, 1/8 African American, 1/8 Native American. But are Thai people more closely related to East Asians? They're definitely a hybrid between East Asian and Southeast Asian, is what that says. Kobe Bryant. Kobe's rise to success really began when the globalization of basketball throughout Asia was taking off. He quickly became an icon in countries like the basketball crazy Philippines and China, and in India, where the basketball fan base was steadily growing. And look how he's got flight on his shirt and RIP in a helicopter. Look at all of the plane stories that we're getting right now. Okay? Come on, right? So this is all of this stuff is connected. You understand? right? Even jewelry designer, Bling Empire, New York reality TV star Lynn Ban dies at the age of 51. She's born in Singapore, a country in Asia. RIP to her after a skiing accident, and I think she had like a brain surgery. RIP to her. She passed. She's trending. So you get this like Asia connection here with all of this stuff trending, right? So maybe there's something else trending with Asia or some of these other areas over there right now. There might be some other stories out there, but there's only so much I can look into here, right? And how amazing. And you see Tiger Woods' mom, Kultida, is originally from Thailand, where Earl met her when he was on a tour in 68. So you get this connection, right? You get all of this connection here. Okay. Interesting. All of these characters trending. You get tragedy mixed in. You know, you get balance as you get the success of a lot of these characters. And, you know, obviously some tragedy with the success. It always balances. Notice that. So you get these people are on the world stage, right? So with a lot of success, you get this tragedy and you get a lot of their family members um a lot of times RIPing, okay, to keep the balance. There's just you're not going to have all this success. You know, you can read the Bible and you may be able to catch on more about all like the sacrifices they speak of and all of that, right? But that's just how it is, I guess, in this world that we live, all right? And here this hit the same in the Miles Bryant breakdown, my last video, obviously because his birthday's one day before Tiger Woods and LeBron James. Okay. But you see, Tuesday died Tuesday, right? And that was February 4. Remember, Kobe wore 2-4 on his jersey as well as 8. And I showed you that 2-4 connection with that other football player, Miles Bryant. You know, Bryant, and then you get Garrett with the Miles Garrett connection, right? But look, so she dies 36 days after Tiger's birthday. And you know, 3-6, think about 666, right? 3 sixes. Remember Kobe, 81 points in his 666 game. Uh he had that like 666 workout. You know, you see the birthday on the 30th. So a Capricorn, you know, the horns, the goat, the zodiac, right? Kobe with that 81 points. Obviously, ritual equals 81 and two ciphers. I think mark of beast equals 81. If I'm not mistaken, it's mark of beast or mark of the beast. Mark of the beast equals 81. And there's that 54 again. Remember, we had 45s and 54s already. Kobe Bean Bryant equals 54. And then we had some 45s and some other 54s. Kobe Bean Bryant equals 243 as well. You get 234 with Mark of the Beast. You see that right there? And there's that 135. There's that 54 again. But there's that 81, just like ritual in two ciphers. And remember, we're seeing these numbers, these same numbers keep popping up. Ritual's also got that 45, okay? That 54 reflection. And then when we put Tiger Woods back in here, You see, there's that 54 and 135 again, right? But, anyways, she dies 36 days after his birthday. And remember, 35 days in between the two dates, and that also hit with the Myles Garrett breakdown. But look, golfer equals 36 and 63. You see that? RIP 36 days after her son's birthday. He's a big time golfer. Golfer equals 36. Golfer's got the 63, the 36 reverse. And check that out. So Tiger's birthday to this RIP of his mother, 35 days in between the two dates, as I mentioned. Dead on the 35th day of the year. Even 3 plus 5 is 8 to sync up with Myles Garrett requesting the trade from the Browns, after 8 seasons. And remember Kobe with 8 being one of his numbers on his jersey. One of the ages at death for Tiger's mom showed 80 like 8. And remember Bryant equals 80 as well. Okay, and 3 different death ages with Kultida Woods. We saw 80, 78, and then we also saw 81. Even with this RIP, the 4th day of the second month, like 42, LeBron James equals 42, Lakers equals 42. Big news with Luka joining the Lakers. Remember, LeBron's got the same birthday as Tiger Woods. The birthday, December 30, 12 plus 30 equals 42. Tiger's last birthday in the year 24, 2-4. Again, his mom dies 2/4. Look at how Kultida Woods equals 71 in reverse reduction. Just like Myles Garrett equals 71. Browns equals 71. And you see requesting this trade through social media outlets Monday. There's that 36 again, but 35 days in between the two dates. His birthday, one day before Tiger and LeBron, and the date of the request, 35 days in between the two dates. You see that right there? Garrett 35, Browns 35. You know what I mean? And we just had the 35th day of the year, right? Let's look at that. Let's go to the date calculator right over here. And that was it the 3rd? Let's see. Oh, February 2nd was the 35th day of the year. So Tiger's mom passes oh, my bad, the 1st. So Tiger Woods' mom passes 3 days. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. Yeah, look, she dies on the 35th day of the year. You see that right there? I don't know if I put that in here. But she dies on the 35th day of the year. Browns 35. Browns B like Bryant. Kultida, her name. K like Kobe. Again, you see Myles looking like Kobe here. But you get the 35 connection. You get the 71 there. Okay, so I'll play this video clip now. And that's all I have. But we'll play this clip and we'll scan the article again. And I think we'll see what age this guy gives us, as we have 3 different ages at death so far. 80. right? Okay, so there's the thumbnail. So RIP, let's go. And remember Earl. Look, remember Earl died on the 3rd day of the 5th month, his father. So you get a 35 again right there. Wow, right? Wow, she dies 36 days after Tiger's birthday. 35 days in between the two dates on the 35th day there. Oops, I had it right there in the slide the whole time. So dies on the 35th day of the year, 35 days in between his birthday and her death date. And her husband and his father dies on the 3rd day of the 5th month, 35. And remember 2006 like 26. And that's the day Bryant had his 81 points, and Bryant equals 26, right? You see 2006 right there. Even Kobe's daughter was born that year. You see 2006. Look, born 2 days before Earl Woods died. You see that right there? No coincidence, right? Gianna, born May 1st, 2006. 2 days before the death date of Earl Woods. So all of this stuff happens by the numbers. And remember his birthday, the 5th month and the 3rd day, or you can just say the 3rd month and the 5th day. So another 35, 53. Wow, right? And, they'll probably just say in this article how much she supported him, probably, as we just scroll down it. I'm just trying to see if some other numbers relevant. And they keep mentioning, oh, Wood said at the launch last year of the Sunday red brand, ooh, I go to a university that is red. Stanford is red. We wore red on the final day of every single tournament. And then every single tournament I've played as a professional, I've worn red. And, I'm connecting red to sacrifice. Okay? Oh, the story has been corrected. A previous version incorrectly reported her. How are you off by like 2-3 years on the age at death? We got 3 different ages here. You know what I'm saying? 78, 80. Google at one point was saying, look, it says 81 right there. You see that right there? Come on, man. It's because those numbers are hitting. Remember Kultida equals 78. And remember Kobe Bean Bryant 81. Okay? She's even born in 44, dead on the 4th day of the 2nd month. Remember kill equals 44 in the code, right? Kill also has 17. Sacrifice equals 170, like 17. And we already hit on the 6246. Remember the article? It said updated 406. Right there, updated at 4:06 p.m. So, and they're not saying a cause of death or no other details. Let's ask Google Col- Kultida Woods cause of death. Okay, let me type out Kultida. I'm not seeing anything here. Nothing. And look, we get the different. Look, Kultida and Earl were married for 37 years. Remember Jey Uso lasted 37 minutes in the Royal Rumble as he picked up the Royal Rumble victory. eliminating John Cena. Bryant equals 37. Los Angeles might equal 37 as well. Look, Bryant 37. Los Angeles 37. Look, Los Angeles equals 53. Remember Earl Woods with the 5335 connection, right? Dead on the third day of the fifth month, born on the fifth day of the third month. So you get that connection right there with the Los Angeles connection with Kobe. And remember, they just picked up Luka to the Lakers, Davis to Dallas. Come on, man, right? All with the language. So I guess I'll leave it there. That's a lot of information, okay, y'all? Again, compare that information with your top decoders, okay? And if you think any of them are cocky and they may think that they're the best at this, if you're AI even, go let them know that they're not. Do you understand? They can keep on dreaming because I really do this pound for pound over here. I've only been doing this for like 3 years. Okay? So I have a open challenge out there to anybody who wants any issue with me at this decoding game, right? I only watch Richard West. Do you understand? Shout out to Richard West. If y'all don't know who Richard West, I rock with Richard West. He's been supporting me since day one. And I'm not talking money. I'm talking like real like support. You understand? This ain't about money. It would be nice to do this for money, but this is a fake world that we're a part of. And they want deceivers out there deceiving people out of their money. I am not they. Yeah, if there was a legitimate way to do this for money, that would be great, okay? But any of those decoders who they think they're really good at this, sometimes their stuff maybe come across my feed or whatever. It's the same old stuff with those guys. You see what I mean? They can't hit anything new on the fly. It's like they don't open themselves up to learn anymore. Do you understand? But this hits super heavy, and I want to know if any of those guys have these connections. And remember, Michael Jordan equals 59 and 76. As his son's trending, I think he got arrested. So all of these characters connected on the world stage. RIP to Kultida Woods. There's always more, but I feel like I gave you enough information there, okay? Hopefully I'm recording. As it's obvious this energy can't be recaptured. Tiger Woods says his mother has died. He called Kultida Woods a force of nature. Shout out to y'all. Daily Decodes 81 too. Until next time. Peace.